Hello students, welcome back to the online class of Semstar Global School. Myself Pratima Singh, and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is of geography, chapter 15, rotation and revolution. This is the first part of this chapter. So we will start our video with the topic rotation. So the first point says that Earth rotates on its axis. So the spinning of the Earth on its axis from west to east is termed as Earth's rotation. An axis is an imaginary line running through the middle of an object. One rotation of the Earth takes exactly 24 hours and is called a solar day. Then in the second point it is written that axis is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree and 66.5 degree with orbit plane. So what does it mean? That the Earth's axis is not exactly vertical but inclined at an angle of 23.5 degree from the vertical. It makes an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. Now what is orbital plane? The area that is formed by the orbit is known as orbital plane. Orbit is the imaginary line on which the Earth revolves around the Sun. Then the rotation causes day and night. Due to the Earth's rotation, the Sun appears to move across the sky from east to west. The Earth's rotation is also responsible for the daily cycle of day and night. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. We have studied this point. Then circle of illumination. What is circle of illumination? Due to the spherical shape of the Earth, only one half of it gets light from the Sun at a time, while the other half remains in darkness. And the circle that divides the lighted part of the Earth from the part in darkness is known as the circle of illumination. In this slide you can see the image of circle of illumination, that the black portion and the yellow portion, it is night and day, and this circle of illumination divides this part into two equal halves. The circle that divides day from night on the Earth is called the circle of illumination. Now let's move towards the next topic, that is revolution. So what is revolution? So the motion of Earth around the Sun on a fixed path or orbit is called Earth's revolution. The orbital speed of the Earth around the Sun averages about 30 km per second, and it takes 365 and 1/4 of the day to complete one revolution. This time period is what we call a year. Then the quarter days adds an extra day to the year every 4 years. That is 1/4 into 4 is equal to 1. That is 1 day is added in every 4 years, and in every 4th year it is 366 days in a year, and it is called a leap year, and it is just because of the revolution. And which month of the year has the leap year? It is the month of February. Now in this slide we will come to know about the effect of rotation and revolution, that how the rotation causes day and night and how the revolution causes change in the season. So as we have studied that the Earth rotates on an axis which is not a vertical line but it is tilted at 23.5 degree on which the Earth rotates. And it rotates on the axis by taking 24 hours. As you can see that it is rotating on an axis. Then when the axis tilts towards the Sun, the northern hemisphere experiences summer and the southern hemisphere experiences winter. In the shaded part you can see that it is southern hemisphere, and when the revolution is completed, the half revolution is completed, then the southern hemisphere experiences summer and the northern hemisphere experiences winter. So students, this was it for today's video. In the next video, we will continue the same chapter with the effects of revolution and many more topics. Thank you.